Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Perpetual protocol, or Perp, whatever you want to call it. We'll be doing a quick video on it. I have some things I want to say about this, some interesting setups perhaps, and I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation for Perpetual protocol. Because yeah, I mean some very strong support levels are coming up, and I know that a lot of you are still trading and watching and perhaps even holding it. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. So here we go. Before we dive into Perpetual though, and we'll do a full update, we'll talk about some fundamentals, I guess, but also the technicals. So we'll do all of that. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. But you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable. And my trading guides for if you actually would like to learn how to analyze and trade like me. So there's that, but now let's actually get into Perpetual protocol. So the best thing to start off with, I think, as most of you know, I mean, Perpetual protocol has had a huge manipulated rally. That is what happened. That is what happened over the last week or so. I'm not even sure. Yeah, Tuesday. A week ago this really started. Then I also sent, no, on Monday, I think like on Monday I sent some sort of a signal in the premium group that Perpetual was looking interesting, and I also bought in right here at 45 cents. And after that it rallied like crazy. And right now it has fallen back down. That's usually what happens with manipulations. This was a very quick one. You don't often see that, but that's a situation, and that situation is also further confirmed by what we see right here. Like if you take a look at open interest and volume, you can see that last week that absolutely went in an uptrend. That was crazy, spiked up around the 9th of September, Saturday the 9th. I think this was also when it peaked on Saturday. Yeah, on Saturday. And then it started dropping down, and now it's in a heavy downtrend. The correlation of Perpetual protocol with Bitcoin and Ethereum is increasing rapidly, which is also a sign that it's getting back into its normal situation. But the thing is there is a strong support level coming up, and that's this level around 60 cents. So that's not only a psychological support level, but it's also the 200 EMA right there. There's some sort of an old Fibonacci level. It's the 0.786 Fib of the entire move up. So I am very much considering buying a little bit from this area. All right, it just looks too good to miss. Perhaps on the daily, yeah, on the daily there's even some more support there as well in that whole area between between 56 and 60 cents. So I do think we'll find some support there. Now I'm not sure how much. I mean, in the end, I do think Perpetual protocol is doomed to fall down towards 50 cents and even lower. So it's 100% a risky trade. But for now, what I expect is that Perpetual protocol, with the bearish momentum in the markets, which is definitely still there, even though Bitcoin is trying to do something here, I do think Perpetual is dropping down towards that level right here around 60 cents. But from there, I do think I think we'll find support. And I also think there's possibility for some sort of a rally if Perpetual is able to break above 67 cents afterwards. Then it could rally all the way up to this level right here around 75 and perhaps even 80 cents. But that rally really depends on how much support we get and if some sort of a bullish breakout is possible or not. Because if it isn't, then it's just going to be temporary support before dropping down towards 50 cents and then afterwards even lower. But I'll keep you updated on that. So that's the main thing to watch right now. I expect support between 60 and 56 cents. I do expect support, but if that support is not able to get some sort of a bullish breakout, which right now the main level to break is 67.5 cents. If it isn't able to do that, it's just temporary support before dropping down lower. If it is able to do that, then we could actually see some sort of a second rally here. So it's waiting for that, but for now, that's my take on Perpetual protocol. So for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.